excited to film this video because we have picked out some merch in Adopt Me Roblox.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to model them for you. My sister has picked out.
I'll show you.
Has picked out
She'll just come next to me.
An adorable top, and I have two. Now we picked this out from the game, so we're gonna go ahead and show you because this is gonna be super exciting, guys. And I'm super excited to show you guys the merch that we have gotten. Well, we have not gotten them, but you know what I mean. So this is the shirt. Hold on. This is the shirt for Sunshine Sisters merch. I think it's really cute. If you put in Sunshine in the comment section down below, that means you play Adopt Me or Roblox, and you have put on the shirt, and you will get it. And put in your username. Put in Sunshine if you have the shirt. And Adopt Me or
So now
if you have the shirt in Adopt Me, or if you have the shirt in regular Roblox, and you will put in your username next to it, and you will be chosen to get this cat.
And you guys will
one of them.
Yeah,
a crocodile.
Okay, this is one of the merch outfits.
I'm gonna name it For Giveaway. Forgive. Also, if you guys did not know,
okay, this is one of the outfits. This is
Sunshine Clan. We renamed our channel Sunshine Clan.
So, okay, here, look.
This is the new shirt.
And then the other one, just show them, that's also the outfit, including the shorts, this, and, the back. This is,
well, not really the shorts, but
any pants.
Yeah, any pants, and...
Well, no, these pants, actually.
Okay.
These pants are for all the outfits, including the glasses.
And these glasses.
So everything I'm wearing except for my hair and except for the face is the merch.
Yeah, so I hope you guys will like and subscribe to join the Sunshine Clan.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm going to do a black backflip.
Haven't we forgotten that this is no longer Sunshine Sisters SSO. Sunshine Clan. Pardon from Sunshine Clan, sub to be part of the Sunshine Sister Clan. Black Lives Matter. Okay, so make sure you get this merch. I'm going to repeat myself once more. Get these glasses. This.
Is it Sunshine Sisters Clan or
Sunshine Clan? So this shirt, these glasses, and the shorts, and that shirt and those glasses, are part of our merch now. I don't care, honestly. So comment. I make weird sounds with my mouth. Okay, so.
I'm trying to get it so it can have more stuff. Just get your hat on.
No. Okay. And comment down below, Sunshine, if you have gotten these in Roblox. And comment down below your username with it, and then we will put you in for the giveaway with this. And make sure to add me at cricket_1121.
And add me as Ret Puppy
1121. No, it's Ret Puppy 201. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you'll get some of the merch.
Oh, this is all you need. They're going to start having the same needs.
So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.